Hello aspirants and welcome to this comprehensive guide on filling out the common admission test, that is CAT 2024 application form. I am Jyoti and today I will walk you through every step of the process to ensure you complete your application correctly and on time. This video will cover everything from eligibility criteria to final submission. So grab a notebook and let's get started. Let's begin by highlighting the key dates of CAT 2024. Form filling was started on August 1st, 2024. Last date of registration is September 13. Admit card will released 5th November. Mock test release date will be around first second week of November. Exam date 24th November. It's crucial to mark these dates on your calendar, so I recommend setting multiple reminders, especially for the registration deadline. Remember, the CAT website can experience heavy traffic as the deadline approaches, so aim to submit your application at least a week in advance. Before we dive into the form filling process, let's ensure you meet the eligibility criteria. You must hold the bachelor degree with at least 50% marks or equivalent CGPA 45% for reserved categories. Final year student can also apply, provided they complete their degree. However, final admission will be subjected to the aggregate score in the graduation. There is no specific age limit for CAT. Work experience is not mandatory but can be advantageous for MBA admissions. To stay updated on the events related to management, do visit our website collegedecor.com, link in already mentioned in the description. Now, let's go through the registration process step by step. The first process is visit the officially CAT website, that is iimcat.ac.in. The second step is click on the new candidate registration, and the third step is fill in your details including name, date of birth, country, mobile number, and email address. Do keep in your mind that the contact information is valid. Go through the CAT registration process. Step 4. Verify your email address and mobile number. You will receive an OTP on both. Enter these to complete the verification. And the step 5. You will be sent a username or password. Choose a strong password combining uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and a special character. Write down your username and password and keep it safe. Just remember to use an email address you check regularly, and all important communications will be sent there. And to stay updated on the events related to management, do visit our website collegedecor.com, link in already mentioned in the descriptions. Application form. Once registered, you will need to fill out the application form. Just log in again by the password and username shared on your email ID, and then let's go through each section in detail. First, personal details. Enter your name exactly as it appears on your official documents. Provide your date of birth, gender, and category like general, OBC, SC, ST, etc. Input your nationality and contact details. If you are an NRI, you will need to provide additional documents. Second, academic details. Fill in your 10th, 12th, and graduation detail. Include your degree name, university, year of passing, and percentage and CGPA. For ongoing degrees, enter your current CGPA and expected graduation date. Be prepared to enter subject-wise marks if required. Third, work experience. If applicable, enter your work experience details. Include company name, designation, and duration of employment. You can add multiple work experience if you have changed job. Internship can also be included in your work experience section. Number 4. Test city preferences. Select your preferred test cities. Remember, preferences are considered but not guaranteed, so think strategically while choosing cities where you are comfortable can easily travel. Number 5. Photograph and signature. Upload a recent passport size photograph. Ensure the photo is clear with a light background. And to stay updated on the event related to management, do visit our website collegedecor.com, and the link is already mentioned in the description. So now the payment process. The application fee for CAT 2024 is rupees 2500 for general EWS NC OBC candidates and the rupees 1250 for SC ST PWD candidates. You can pay using a credit card, debit card or net banking. Keep your card details on OTP device handy. After payment, wait for the confirmation page to load. Don't close the brochure prematurely. The next one is tips and precautions. Use a stable internet connection throughout the process. Talking about the documents you will need. The first one is ID proof. The second one is educational certificate. The third one is passport size photograph and the fourth one is scanned signature. We wish you all the very best for your CAT 2024 journey and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content or CAT preparation and visit our website collegedeco.com for more information. Thank you for watching and good luck with your application.